So let's go ahead and let's unbox the Xiaomi TV F43 2026. So it is a Fire TV, so it runs off Amazon Fire, and it is a 43-inch 4K TV. Now I'm sure you guys can see behind it I've got another box. So yes, I have got another TV, and I will be giving that one away because I don't need two TVs. So that second one's for a giveaway, and this first one here is the one we're going to open up and have a look at it. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's open this box up and let's have a look at it. So I've got my trusty kitchen knife because I can't find my unboxing knife. We're going to unbox it like that. So there's not much on the box, to be honest with you. It reminds me very similar of like a TCL box. Very simple packaging. It shows you which way up it needs to be. I really wish I could find my unboxing knife because this is so weak. Cool. Let's go ahead and let's see what's inside of this. So, first introduced to the 3-pin UK plug with those double pins, you know, the usual adapter that powers appliances. Then we've got our kickstand here, which looks very similar to like the TCL and the Hisense kickstands. In the middle over here we have the energy rating and our remote control as well, which is quite a nice, sleek looking remote control, to be honest with you. Looks pretty cool. Matte finish plastic, and we've got a gloss finish on here. Nice, and we also got a voice button there as well. Does it come included with batteries? Let's have a look. So we've got the screws here for the stand. Oh, I don't think it comes with batteries. That's a letdown. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Got the other kickstand. It takes 2 AAA batteries, so I'll have to go look for that. Thanks Xiaomi for not including that in this. Right, so it does say it's best to have 2 people to carry this TV. Unfortunately, I don't have 2 people with me, it's just me. So we're going to go and try and carry it on my own, and I'm going to lay it on the floor and show you that way. Yep, let's lay that down. What else do we have in here? That's pretty much it with the box, really. We got Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Alexa, MEMC. What is that? Pill marker mode, HDMI, front and back of the box, 4K. Nice, really simple. The giveaway, guys, I'll mention at the end of the video what you've got to do, so stay tuned for that. But if you want to win yourself a brand new Xiaomi 43-inch 4K TV, stay tuned and I will show you how you can. So here we have it. Let's take it out of this packaging. Have a look at this TV. Look at that. So we've got a bit of a bezel on the bottom over here, but it looks pretty frameless other than that all the way around. We've got Xiaomi written underneath here. We've got this section here, which would obviously detect the infrared from the remote control. And damn, it feels pretty lightweight, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and screw in the kickstands, take all this packaging off, power it up, and let's see what it looks like, and we'll give you the review. So here is the Xiaomi TV all set up on my table, looking very nicely with the remote control. Let's go ahead and let's power it on. We can see we've got a little LED indicator underneath the Xiaomi logo, and it boots straight into your first input, which is my Sky TV box. Put the volume down. So the buttons on the remote do feel quite cheap. So if you press and hold, it does work, but it doesn't feel like the most reactive. So that's one thing I noticed about it straight away. The remote control isn't really the best quality remote control, but it gets the job done and it works. On the side of the TV over here, we have our optical input, our 3.5mm headphone jack, our HDMI port 3, HDMI port 2, HDMI port 1. We've also got a USB type A port, an Ethernet port, an aerial in, optical aerial in, and an aerial cable satellite in as well. So we've got all these cables at the back over here, and you can see over here, just over there on the back of the TV, goes in your AC input to power on the TV. TV is very thin and sleek overall, but it's got like this very cheap plastic around it. So this is definitely where Xiaomi saves its cost, is on the material, because the plastic around the TV is like this very cheap quality, rattly, scratchy plastic. Now of course this is Fire TV, so it comes loaded with Amazon Fire on there, which is basically, Amazon Fire is like their own UI sort of software, but based off Android. So you can download APK apps using apps like Downloader, which you can get from the App Store. So Fire have their own App Store where you can download so many different apps. Here you have all the different options of all different apps you can download. So many options. And then if you download an app like this, for example, Downloader for Fire, there's various different apps for downloaders, and you can download APKs from websites. You can even go on browsers and download APKs from websites like that. So essentially you can download any Android app on this TV, if you get what I mean. So whatever other video and streaming services you would like, you can do that on these TVs. And that's what's amazing about Fire TVs and Android TVs as a whole. Now, the phone, recording this and seeing it on your phone and on your TV or on your laptops, wherever you're watching this YouTube video, the color really doesn't show on the camera. It's very nice colors. Like the purple here is a very nice deep purple, super crystal, super clear. You can't really see the pixels or any blur. It's a very vivid, very crisp and very clear screen. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a 4K YouTube video. We'll turn the lights off so you get a little bit of view of it, and you can see what you think of it. But the whole interface as a whole is pretty quick and snappy. There is sometimes, especially when it first boots up, you see a bit of a lag. So if I go, for example, inputs and go to my Sky TV, you can see here I've pressed it and there's a bit of a lag, and it's loaded up now. So it's not the quickest and snappiest and fastest TV that I've owned and reviewed. The TCLs that I've reviewed, which is around similar price ranges to this, a lot more better build quality, feel more premium, and it's a lot more faster as well, a lot more snappy, a lot more quicker, a lot more responsive. For example, if I press home on this remote control, it should go to the Fire home. So I'll press it now, and you can see the delay there. So it's not bad. I mean, it's very usable, and for a budget TV, it's good. It's good. It's not bad at all. You can use it, but it's something that I noticed that, yeah, it is a little bit laggy, but in all honesty, it's not too bad. Let's go ahead and let's play a YouTube video and see what it looks like. And I have to admit, the bezels are really nice, super thin all around. You just got this little chin at the bottom where the Xiaomi logo sits, and also the Fire TV logo at the bottom as well. But other than that, it's very thin, very sleek, and it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and find a YouTube video for us to watch. Now I'm playing a 4K video here off of YouTube. Go ahead and go on settings and make sure that it is on 4K. So currently it was on 1440p. So let's put it on 2160p. So it is at the highest quality. And there you go. You can see a massive difference. The color contrast is really nice. It's super dynamic, super vivid. The colors of the greens, you can see the different shades of greens right here. And the detail in this chameleon, you can see every little detail on its skin. Same with the tiger, you can see its hair fibers, and it is super crisp and super clear. I have to say it's very similar to the TCL LCD panels as well. So it's a very crisp and very clear look. Even the whites and the blacks here, you can differentiate both of the colors really well. You can see here the black on the nose is super solid on the flamingo. So it's a very nice TV. With display wise, quality wise, super crisp, super clear. The reflections on the water, I mean, it's really nice. It looks just like the TCL panels to me. Super crisp, super nice. Definitely is a very nice 4K TV for the price that you're paying. You're getting a lot out of this LCD panel. And speaker wise as well, I'm just going to bump the speaker volume up now. Hopefully we've got some music on this video. So that's on volume 20, and that's already quite loud, to be honest with you. And it's quite nice. It's not got too much bass to it, but it does have a little bit, so it doesn't sound super cheap and like very monochromatic, very, you know, single mono speaker. It's got a bit of a kick to it, bit of direction to it as well, which is nice. I'll pump it up a little bit more. Like, yeah, that's actually a pretty decent speaker. It's not the best speaker on a TV that I've seen, to be honest with you. It's more on the dull side, but it is crisp, it is clear. It's not like it's very bad quality. It's very watchable, it's very much decent. Like, it's good. It's not bad and it's not great. Comparing it to other TVs around this brand, like TCL and Hisense, their audio quality is a little bit more louder, a little bit better than this. So I have to say it's a little bit more of a letdown compared to its competitors. If you pay a little bit more, you probably get a bit more of a better sound quality, and also build quality. Like I said, the cheap plastic on here wasn't the best thing as well. This is the TV with the lights off. If I turn the lights on now, you'll probably see a little bit of a change here, but you can still see it's very crisp and it's very clear. It's a very, very good panel. I just realised that the camera before I had my flash on, so it probably didn't show the best quality, but now you can see its true quality without the flash glaring onto this display over here. Yeah, very nice, very good. Panel's very good, very nice, very crisp and very clear. If I just pan a little bit over here, so centralised TV. It's a very good TV, I have to say. I mean, if it's, you know, not someone that uses it super heavy, you know, you're just going to use it for streaming and, you know, just watching your main TV, really. You don't really care too much about surround sound and cinema quality. You know, you just want to watch something nice and good quality. It's a very good TV for that. I'm going to give it an overall score of 7 out of 10. I don't think it's fantastic. I don't think it's wowed me. But it's a good TV. It does what it's meant to do. Straight out of the box, it works. The LCD panel is amazing. Well, LED TV actually, so the LED on this is really good. The 4K quality is really nice. It's very easy and very simple to use. Apart from the slight delay and slight lag when it first boots up, it's pretty snappy, it's pretty quick. Like, it does the job. And sound quality wise, it's pretty decent as well. Not the best sound quality out there, but it's decent. For the price that you pay, it's kind of expected that you'll get something out like this. But if you pay a little bit more and comparing it to other brands like TCL and Hisense, you probably do get a bit more of a better build quality and better sound quality out of them. But viewing quality and viewing angles and the depth and contrast and colours, it's about the same. It's matching with the others. Other than that, you can also pair this with Alexa. As you can see at the bottom over here, it's just said press and hold. So you can also search with the remote control by pressing and holding the volume button over here, and you can play anything. So if I just press and hold it and say play YouTube, open YouTube, it should open YouTube. And there you go, it's opened up YouTube right here. You can also control it with your Alexa as well. So if I say Alexa, mute the TV, okay, and you can see right at the top is mute the TV. Alexa, unmute the TV, okay. And then you can turn the TV on and off as well. So it's super easy to use, especially if you've got Alexas around. Very nice smart TV, very quick, very snappy. Yeah, it does what it's meant to do straight out of the box. So if you're interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be down below in the description. As always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Alexa, turn off the TV. Okay. So if you would like to win this other spare Xiaomi 43-inch 4K TV that I have, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and like this video. That will give you one entry, and if you want a bonus entry, drop a comment down below on what you think is the best feature about this TV and why you want to win it. And yeah, we'll pick the winner at random, and we'll keep it anonymous as well, just for GDPR and data protection of the winner. So when you do win, you will get an email or message through us from YouTube or on Gmail. So just keep an eye out on it, and make sure that the email that messages you is technonewsnowuk@gmail.com. That's technonewsnowuk@gmail.com. Don't trust any other email that sends you, because there may be fakes, there may be scams. Only that one will be the real one, and that will be from me. So good luck, guys, and all you got to do, subscribe, like for one entry, and comment down below for a second entry. Good luck, guys.